You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, not that early.
Hi, welcome to Premier Integrated Labs. As you can see, we have a lot of machine and people here. Everything we need to keep up our reputation for precision and deliver accurate results for our patients. That's what I do. The Atelica solution, she's like a gossip machine. I can find out everything about a person just from their blood sample that I feed into her. But I'm not the only one with a lab buddy. Ask around.
Vitek MS Prime is a laser-powered germ detector that finds bugs instantly by reading their protein fingerprint. Nice, huh? My passport here, for whenever I'm stressed out. Never mind.
This is a high-resolution camera connected to a microscope. It takes very clear images of our samples. We can even see every single chromosomes.
Makan apa hari ni? Japanese style? You belanja kan?
That's our proudest machine.
Before you go, you got to answer this too.
Sometimes, instead of amniotic fluid samples, doctors like to send placenta samples. It can be used to check for chromosomal abnormalities during prenatal testing.
How about the weirdest stuff?
Ta-da!
Me? Impossible! Well, of course the test. Every test tells a story and every result helps people understand their illness better. See? We are like one big family. Everyone has their own job, right? But we always help when someone needs it. And of course, the people. I like everybody here. 1, 2, 3. Behind every test is a team that cares. We are Premier Integrated Labs. Integrated Labs. No.